every day, I start at 9. She answers emails, he reads the news. We use this tense for habits, for facts, for routines, simple things we always do. I don't change the form, just say the verb. Before he and she, we add an S. He works at night, she writes reports. It's simple present, nothing complex. Right now I'm talking, right now you're here. We're learning English, it's very clear. We use a M, it's or R with the ing. For things that happen while we speak. I'm checking emails, you're writing notes. He's not working, he's drinking tea. Present continuous, happening now. Look around, it's what we see. Yesterday, I finished work at 5. She called me late, we talked a while. We use the past for things that are done. No connection to now, just one time stop. Just one time stop. He worked last week, we watched a show. I didn't go, I stayed at home. Just the past form, that's all we need. For things behind us, clear and complete. I have sent the file, we have had lunch. She has just left, the time's not clear. We use this tense when the past still counts, when the time's close to here. You've done a lot, I've made some tea. They've worked all day and now they're free. It's present perfect, the past meets now. It doesn't say when, but it shows somehow. Before I came, I had called her. He had finished before they arrived. 2 past actions, but one came first. That's the past perfect, it's how it's described. Now I've been talking for quite a while. You've been listening, learning tense by tense. We use a been with a verb and ing. It started before and it still makes sense. She has been reading since early today. I've been working since 3:30. It's the present perfect continuous form, and now you know how to use it cleanly.